Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to test out a viral DIY that many of you might have seen as well. In all the clips I saw, they never actually showed the final result, which was incredibly frustrating. Maybe they revealed it as a part 2, but I didn't see that video, and nothing is worse than using part 2s for clickbait anyway. So in this video, we're going to replicate the DIY from start to finish so you can see the results for yourself. The method is obviously very self-explanatory. You simply use gummy candies as a template and then spray paint around them to create a design. I bought 3 random bags here, with one being a pick and mix type and the other 2 have shapes that work well as silhouettes. This bubblegum one is actually one of my favorite candies ever. It tastes absolutely synthetic, but I used to eat these on my way home from school, so it gives me so much nostalgia. In the original viral video, they did this on a t-shirt, but I'm going to use a tote bag for the simple reason that bags don't need to be washed as often. Then I'm arranging the candies into a nice pattern across the front. I also just noticed that there are 2 different sizes of these cherries, so it was lucky that I bought a separate bag. Now I'm grabbing my paint, and this one is a satin matte acrylic paint. Be sure to work in a very well ventilated place because you're going to get a lot of fumes even from such a small area being sprayed. I gave everything a medium coverage and tried to end the paint before I reached the edges of the bag. This is how it looks in close-up, and obviously the candy needs to be thrown away. And now for the moment of truth. I'm carefully picking these off one by one because I'm not entirely sure the paint is dry. Unless it's absolutely 100% dry, don't shake all the candies off at once because the color is probably going to smear. So here's the final result, and it looks pretty neat. It doesn't blow me away, but it's also far from being a complete mess. I think this is a nice little trick for creating an abstract design, and you can have fun customizing it with different types of candy. I like how the paint can even pick up tiny details like these ridges in the gummy worms. I hope this video is interesting, and please check out my channel for more. I've pinned a comment down below explaining this new format, and there will obviously still be longer DIY videos coming up. I'm Joanna, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!